Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your merchant ID in PayPal. This is a very quick process, and you can do it directly from your PayPal account settings in just a few moments. Your merchant ID is a unique identifier connected to your PayPal account, so once you know where it is, you can easily access it whenever you need it. Your merchant ID is often used when connecting PayPal to other platforms, setting up integrations, or verifying account details, so it's useful to know exactly where to find it. For example, you may need it when connecting PayPal to an online store, a payment plugin, a donation platform, an invoicing tool, or another service that accepts PayPal payments. Having it ready can save time and help you avoid using the wrong account information during setup. To begin, log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon there, which is the shortcut to your account settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings area. This is where PayPal keeps many of your main account details, so it's a useful section to know about even beyond finding your merchant ID. After the settings page loads, look for the Account tab. This section contains the main details related to your PayPal account, including business-related information if you're using a business account. Click on the Account tab to continue. If your PayPal layout looks slightly different, don't worry, because PayPal may update the design from time to time, but the account settings area is still the main place to check. Once you're in the account section, you should be able to see your merchant ID listed there. It will usually appear as part of your account information, and it may be labeled clearly as merchant ID, so it should be easy to spot when you find it. Take a moment to check the label carefully, especially if there are other account details shown nearby. You can copy it if needed, and use it wherever a service or platform asks for your PayPal merchant ID. When you paste it into another platform, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the ID, because that can sometimes cause verification or connection errors. One helpful tip here is to make sure you're looking in the correct PayPal account, especially if you manage more than one. If you're using the wrong account, the merchant ID you see may not match the one you actually need. This matters a lot if you have separate PayPal accounts for personal use, business payments, different websites, or different clients. It's also a good idea to avoid confusing your merchant ID with your email address, since some services specifically ask for the merchant ID and not the login email tied to the account. Your email address may be used for logging in or receiving payments, but the merchant ID is a separate account identifier. So, if a platform asks for the merchant ID, use the exact ID shown in your PayPal account settings. If you don't immediately see the information, just double-check that you're inside the account settings area and that your page has fully loaded. In most cases, the merchant ID is available right there without needing to go through any extra menus. You can also refresh the page or check from a desktop browser if you're having trouble finding it on mobile, since some settings can be easier to view on a larger screen. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the gear icon is and how to get to the Account tab, finding your merchant ID in PayPal is simple and only takes a few seconds. It's a small detail, but it can be very important when you're setting up payments, connecting tools, or verifying your PayPal account with another service. So, yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.